Welcome to this tutorial on how to enable sales tax in QuickBooks Online. This feature is essential for proper financial management, accurate reporting, and staying compliant with tax laws. Let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the QuickBooks Online portal. Log into your QuickBooks account with your email and password. Remember, always keep your login credentials safe and secure. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand menu. From here, click on the Taxes tab. This is your control center for all tax-related settings. Next, under the Taxes section, select Sales Tax. This will take you into the Sales Tax configuration area. Now look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Sales Tax Settings. This is where you can customize tax preferences to fit the needs of your business. Inside the settings, locate the drop-down menu beside the Edit option. From this menu, select Make Active. By doing this, you activate the Sales Tax feature, which allows QuickBooks to automatically calculate and apply the correct tax amounts on your invoices and sales receipts. Once activated, your QuickBooks account will now handle tax calculations, accurately helping you avoid mistakes in financial reports and ensuring compliance with tax regulations. To wrap up, enabling sales tax in QuickBooks Online not only keeps your business transactions compliant, but also simplifies tax season by automating calculations. That's it. You've successfully enabled sales tax in QuickBooks Online. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials.